Now dear students, study of some properties, atomic properties, physical properties and some chemical properties of 14 group elements. Children, all properties are based on electronic environment of an atom. Electronic environment means what is the arrangement of electrons, right? Presence or absence of shielding effect, imperfect shielding or imperfect screening. Which electrons form imperfect screen for outer electrons or for valence electrons, inner electrons, which are present in D subshell and F subshell or D and F electrons, right? When size of D is bigger and F subshell is also bigger, they form imperfect screen for the outermost electrons. And in 14th group, last electrons are present in p orbitals, right? This formation of screen by inner electrons. Inner means D and F, right? Like in case of tin, what is the configuration? DsP, lead FdSp, presence of F and D electrons. Then these electrons, D electrons, first F electrons for bottommost element, F electrons and D electrons form imperfect screen, right? Imperfect means like this type of arrangement, some gap between two electrons, like this, okay, like this type of arrangement, and outer electrons are present in S. How many? 2 electrons. P, 2 electrons, right? This type of screen is called imperfect screen, right? Because as electrons also experience some attractive force or some effective nuclear charge. And what is the direction of effective nuclear charge? Towards the center, right? And this screening effect or shielding effect is more prominent in which element? Bottommost element, which is lead, in this group, right? Now children, what is the regular trend of atomic size or atomic radius from top to bottom or along the group? Atomic radius always increases, like in first group, second group, right? But in P block elements are placed in right part of the periodic table. Before P block, D block elements are placed. And how many groups are there? 10 groups from 3rd to 12th. And 13th group, 14th group till last, all groups are placed in P block, right? What is the trend of atomic radius? Irregular trend. When shielding effect is imperfect, slight decrease in atomic size or atomic radius. Other factors, other properties are based on atomic size, right? Like ionization energy. Ionization energy is endothermic process, right? What is the trend of ionization energy? First of all, from first till tin, ionization energy decreases. This is a regular trend. On moving down the group, ionization energy always decreases. Then after tin, what is the trend? Irregular. Increase, ionization energy increases because it depends upon size. Size is decreasing, IE is increasing. Size is increasing, IE is decreasing. Right? In short, children, what is the trend? Discontinuous. Discontinuity in ionization energy or irregular trend is observed, not gradual increase or gradual decrease. Next property is melting point. Melting point is also irregular. Irregular, first of all, decreases from first till tin. Last is lead, the increase in melting point. Increase melting point depends upon binding energy, cohesive force. force or binding energy increases melting point. Right? Next is oxidation state. Children, oxidation states means common oxidation states and group oxidation state. Group oxidation state of any group depends on number of valence electrons. In 14th group, 4 valence electrons are present. 2 electrons in S and 2 electrons in P. When all 4 valence electrons are removed, then group oxidation state is +4. Like in CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. What is the oxidation state of carbon? +4. In CH4, -4. Minus plus oxidation state depends on nature of second atom which is attached with elements of 14th group. Right? Other oxidation states +2, +4. +2 where only p electrons are removed. Then what is the common oxidation state? +2. Right? For example, compound of lead, PbCl2, white color solid product. Precipitate of lead chloride, which is PbCl2. Right? In PbCl2 and PbCl4, which chloride of lead is more stable and bound? First one, PbCl2. Right? Because lower oxidation state of bottommost element is more stable than higher oxidation state. What is the reason? Inert pair effect. Reason is inert pair effect. Right? And inert pair effect means which is related with the shading effect. Imperfect shading or imperfect screening. Imperfect screening or inert pair effect, it means inability of S electrons to participate in bond formation or chemical reaction is called inert pair effect. Right? Now children, some compounds of carbon in different oxidation states. CH4. Oxidation state is -3. Hydrogen is more electropositive. CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride. Chlorine is more electronegative. Oxidation state is positive, +4. Right? Some compounds of silicon in elemental state, oxidation state is always 0. But in combined form, two possibilities, +2 and +4. Silicon, SiO2, silicon dioxide, sand. Its oxidation state is +2. Silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride. Oxidation state of silicon is +4. Carbon and silicon elements are more stable. In which oxidation states? +4. Right? In silicates also. Silicate means SiO4 -4. Next feature children, on moving down the group, change in behavior of product from covalent to ionic product. What is the nature of all organic compounds? Covalent. Hydrocarbons covalent. CCl4 is organic compound, covalent nature. Carbon can share its 4 valence electrons. No formation of ionic bonds because carbon is very small in size. Its atom is very small in size, right? For loss of 4 valence electrons, very high amount of energy is required. What is its nature? Its tendency to form covalent bonds like this. It is covalent. Covalent means sharing of valence electrons like this. No exchange of electrons, only sharing of electron occurs. Like this. Right? Oxidation state is -4 in organic compounds. And what is the nature of compound? Covalent. All organic compounds are covalent. Right? But compounds of lead like PbCl2 is ionic in nature. On moving down the group, ionic character changes to, covalent character changes to ionic character. Right? Because non-metallic character decreases. Carbon is non-metallic element and lead is metallic in nature. Topmost element is non-metallic, its compounds are covalent in nature, and bottommost element is metallic, its compounds are ionic in nature. Okay children? And middle elements, metalloids. Germanium is metalloid. Compounds of germanium. Some compounds of germanium shows amphoteric nature. Oxide, like oxide of germanium. Oxide of carbon, which is CO2, is acidic in nature. Oxide of bottommost element lead is basic in nature. But oxide of germanium is amphoteric. It shows dual characters, acidic character and basic character. Okay children, thank you.